spring cleanup.
Hey.
Hostas. This area here, we would get all the leaves out. He's interested in treating this weed here. I told him we can definitely take care of that. So clean out this hosta bed. We would also try to edge this one. See, this is hosta bed edging. Okay, this is his gate. He puts that in front of there, so make sure we do that. Not sure, probably just clean up this area here. Wants to throw an edge on this. Basically, we would move the mulch to the side, make a round circle here, and just edge it nicely. Okay. Lots of debris here when we mow. Just got to make sure that either we pick that up or it's picked up prior to mowing. This is that weed here. Okay. He puts that here, but the dog digged it out. Okay, he wants dethatching and he wants mowing here. Let's go ahead and measure the backyard. Well, long-wise here, it's 76. I can't remember where I put my pen, man. So we get this cans 76 by 70. So 76 from fence to shed, 70 from air conditioning unit to neighbors. Okay, this is a bed he would like edge too. We would just edge here around this tree, back up here, and then just mow all here, string trim. And then he wants a power raking as well, so we'll have to do a power raking. All right, so that's the backyard in a nutshell. Yard is pretty overgrown, so if he just goes for mowing, initial mow would be a little bit more, because that is very overgrown. Okay, so we'll close this gate here. Okay, I think that's how it closes. All right, so that gate is closed. Okay. What's going on, YouTube? Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. I see we got some new subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. This one, I'm over here trying to edge these sidewalks and, edging some flower beds, man. It was a long day for me. A day there where I had to do a cleanup, first time mow for this property, and edge these sidewalks, man. I really don't have any true before and after pictures, but you guys can see the amount of debris that's coming out of these sidewalks. Haven't been edged in a while, so it's on me to kind of turn them into a masterpiece, so to say, right? I started off with a fresh edger blade, and by the end of this job, man, that edger blade was tiny. I bought some edger blades on Amazon, and they weren't heat treated, and I didn't know how sucky they were gonna be, man. Like honestly, I get one or two good uses out of them, like jobs like this, and they're done. For weekly accounts where I'm already edging like established sidewalks, like for my existing customers, they do last. But if you get them for a job like this, expect to get one good use out of them, and that's it. Since then, I recently ordered some heat treated ones, and they seem to be lasting a lot longer. They usually last you know several weeks longer. So just a quick tip: if you do get edger blades, just make sure that they're heat treated, so you can get longer life out of them. Um, but yeah, man, just over here, just knocking it down, trying to create this nice sidewalk for this new mowing customer that I got. When I do sidewalk edgings like this, man, I always like bringing a rake. I have this little rake that I use, and really does help get the grass out of there, man. Sometimes it's really stuck on there. I've seen people use shovels and things like that, which they're great too. So just something to help you kind of pull that debris away from the sidewalk. Okay, sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't, but it's always good to have it if you do. Okay. Sometimes you can just use your foot to kick it out of the way. And here, this is obviously a lot easier. Um, you know. Okay, so here we go. getting low, man. Need to change this. It's not working as good. All right, so once I was done with that, I still had to edge some garden beds. So the next couple minutes, you're gonna be watching me just edge these garden beds like a real pro, man. I like my edges nice and crispy, to the best of my ability, of course. So I always use a hand shovel, hand spade, half moon, whatever, and create these edges. Okay, so stick around, enjoy the music and the video. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, let's get to it, baby.
That's a banger.
Thank you so much for checking that out, man. So right here we're just using what we have to create the straight as an edge as I possibly can. This is going to be eventually a garden area for the client. So they had really good dirt here, just kind of saving me from having to haul a lot of the dirt away. Just kind of pile it up there. It's really good dirt, like I said. So they're gonna put a little fence area on here and use it as a garden area. All right, just making dreams happen, one cleanup at a time, my friends. So enjoy the rest of the clips here, and let's get it.